Welcome to Woodland Power Products. This short video will show you how to properly fold down the collector bag so that you can install it onto the chassis. Starting at either side, release one side link by sliding the slider bracket up and pulling the link elbow towards you so it points to the outside of the frame. Next, pull the bag collar out of the way and push the aluminum side tube all the way down until the first side lies completely flat on the frame. Release the other side linkage, again pulling the elbow toward the outside of the frame. Fold the side tube all the way down. You may have to adjust the bag collar so that it lies flat as you push the side of the collector down. Secure with the green shock cord. That's it. Now you can install the collector onto the chassis.